Hi guys, so today I'm gonna talk about this Lamel BB contour tinted cream formula finish something. So I just called for one contour and the Tita Beauty suggested me this contour and I'm super excited to try this one, but I'm a little nervous that it's a BB cream or BB contour or what is this or what is new in this. So I never have any like cream contour before, so I'm just really excited to try this one. So let's just open this. So this is how it's look like. It's look pretty cute and compact. So yeah, oh my god, it's a contour. So yes, so this is how the color looks like, if I'm not wrong, but yeah, this is the color it's looking like, but I don't know if it's gonna match me or not. So let's just apply like a dot motion. So like this, ये थोड़ा मिट्टी मिट्टी टाइप का लग रहा है, लाइक मिट्टी का जो कलर होता है ना, बट वेबसाइट पे बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं दिख रहा था. वेबसाइट पे बिल्कुल थोड़ा ब्राउन टोन में ही लग रहा था. एंड दिस इज़ इन द शेड टोप. दिस इज़ इन द शेड टोप. इसमें थोड़ा सा फोरहेड में भी लगा लूँगी, लाइक सो. एंड रेस्ट वहाँ पे लगा लूँगी. या इट्स लाइक अ ग्रे. Not liking this product. I mean, I love the formulation, I love the creaminess in it, and it's super blendable. It's not giving me any patchy thing, but the color is not my shade. So maybe I'm gonna try the other shades that they have, but this is the for no big no for me, the shade. Otherwise the formulation and the blending thing, it's quite good. So I would recommend this to you, who is more fairer than me and who has like a British tone. So I think the taupe will suit them, but not for me. Yeah, thanks for watching guys.